This is my 2014 Yamaha Bolt R-Spec. I've done a lot of customizing to it. It has the gaiters and tweak bar on the front, bearings, crash bars, and a bash guard underneath the engine. I've got the open contrast cut primary pulley set up on it. Got the Fender Eliminator on the back. Oxblood red saddlebags. I had the stock sissy bar, the tall one, but I had my friend make me a really tall one. It's 36 inches from the mounting bracket. I've only found one bike with a higher sissy bar on the internet. If you know of one, let me know. I plan on flipping the handlebars upside down so they'll be a lot lower. I've got the Bassani street sweeper radial exhaust on here. It's kind of loud, but it sounds good. I plan on changing the air cleaner out. If anybody has any suggestions about what style air cleaner I should use on here, I'm not sure if I should use one of those Power Flow air cleaners or the Karakian brand, or however you say it. Well, that's my 2014 Yamaha Bolt. It sounds pretty tough with the new exhaust on it. Feel free to leave comments or suggestions. Post more videos of your motorcycles.